Okay, we are recording. What is up, everybody? How y'all doing? So, we're back with another shooting video, and today we are finally going to be shooting the Rock Island Armory .357 Magnum Snub Nose revolver. And we have two different types of ammo. We have this brand right here, and this brand. This is what's in the gun right now. This is what we're going to be shooting afterwards. This is .357 Magnum 158 grain full metal jacket, and this is .357 Magnum 135 grain flex lock. This is self-defense ammo, if you're wondering. I'm going to show you what the shells inside the gun look like, because it is loaded. So let me just drop these out. We'll set those ones there. We'll set the gun down here on the table. That's what the shell looks like. It's a pretty substantial looking bullet. It's got this little like rubber thing at the end there. You guys can see that. I don't know if you can. It's not focusing. But yeah, this is the 135 grain bullet. Where's my gun at so I can reload it? Alright, so we're going to put these back in the gun. Yep. We are loaded. Put that back in the holster. Snap the holster closed. And now I'm going to show you what these bullets look like. So this is the .357 Magnum 158 grain full metal jacket. I just got this yesterday. And no, I do not have any 38 special rounds for the gun today. I was unable to get any. But this is what the 158 grain full metal jacket bullet looks like. It's a pretty nice bullet. Kind of looks like the 38 special bullets I had for the gun a while ago before I shot them all off, getting used to the gun. So we're going to shoot these after we shoot the ones we already have in the gun. And these are going to be shot at the air compressor. Yes, we have the air compressor. It's sitting outside in the yard right now, ready to be shot. But first, I have two big old jugs of water, and we're going to see what .357 Magnum can do to them. I want to see the destructive force of these shells blow this shit apart. So, we got our earmuffs on, our glasses on, we got our gloves, because I just cleaned the gun and I don't want to get my fingerprints all over it and get it all dirty. And now we're going to go out and shoot. So, I'm going to cut the footage here. I'm going to start it up once I get the camera where I want it to be. And then we will shoot this gun today. Hey guys, alright. So I got the camera where I want it and I got the gun right here. We're going to shoot these targets. So here we go. Okay, so we are now back inside the camper, and wow, was that some destruction. We blew those jugs clean up. That was awesome. And very refreshing. It's very hot out today. It's like 97 something right now, and getting splashed with a bunch of cold water really feels great today. Alright, so now it's time for the 158 grain full metal jacket versus the air compressor. I have not shot a 158 grain .357 Magnum before. I have shot a 150 grain bullet before out of my 30-30. So I'm curious, is this going to kick as much as my 30-30 does, as my 30-30, Let's see. I think I said it right. Yeah. It's hard to hear with these earmuffs on. Alright, we are fully loaded. I'm going to set the camera back up again. And this time, we're going to blow a couple holes in that air compressor. So here we go. Okay. We have the air compressor sitting downrange right now. It's pretty close. So we're going to go inside the camper and then I'm going to attempt to shoot this thing. So let me walk past you guys here. Alright, here we go. Full metal jacket. Alright, I'm going to fire another 5 shots here. Loading up right now. Just give me a second. Alright, we're loaded. Firing!